Hello everyone. In the previous video, we looked at mean calculations using Python only without any NumPy library. So in this video, we'll calculate these different types of mean: arithmetic mean, weighted, arithmetic mean, geometric mean, harmonic, and trimmed mean using NumPy. Okay, so we'll solve the same example. So given this data set, we need to compute these four different types of mean. Okay, so let's get started. So in cell 1, so I have import NumPy as np. Then in cell 2, so I've created a NumPy array of the input data set and stored it into x variable. Then let's create another variable um, n, and that is equal to total number of elements in x. Okay, so task A, which is arithmetic mean. So A mean in NumPy, we could simply use np.mean command, and the input is x. And if we look at the results, so we get 4.59. So for task B, which is weighted arithmetic mean, so we could create these weights, and then for any value that is greater than 4, we could set the weight value to 2. And then let's have a look at the weight array. Okay, so now that we have created the weight array, so the weighted arithmetic mean would be equal to sum of weights multiplied by x and divided by sum of weights, and let's print the weighted arithmetic mean, so which is 4.78. For task C, we need to compute the geometric mean, which in this case would be equal to np.power, and np.prod is input is x, and then we want the power to be 1 by n, and then print gmean 4.45. Task D is harmonic mean, and using NumPy we could quickly calculate the harmonic mean 1 by x, and if we look at harmonic mean, so that's 4.296. Okay, so yes, using NumPy array, we could very easily calculate all of these mean values. So that's it for today's video on central tendency mean calculations. I hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching, and see you all in the next video.